Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, guys. But even if you have a different year, that generation, it may work as well. You guys have two fuse boxes that you need to check on your truck. But we have a special fuse about transmission control module fuse. Special video about that, transmission control module fuse. Check out the video for that. But for the shifter, there is specific fuses that are located inside your truck on the passenger side under the glove box by the kick panel. We have one plastic. Once you remove it, you will open the fuse box, and that fuse box, when you open it, it will look just like that. By taking the picture and zooming it, we can clearly show you where everything's located. Now let's explain which three fuses you need to check for the transmission shifter today.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So first we'll be working on the left side right here. We'll be counting from top to bottom. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12th fuse right here, guys, that 15 fuse, that's the one that you will need to check first. Then you have one more fuse, which is known as fuse number 18. This one is super easy because the last one in that row on the very bottom, that one here, that 10 fuse. Then you will need to check one more fuse after that. This one is easy too. It's in that fourth row right here. That very first 10 fuse will need to be checked specifically for the transmission shifter.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.